Like you're... Alright. I'm just doing my regular thing. What was that noise? Where is he? What's this? I never knew this up here was a thing. Ah! It's a bird! Shoot it! Shoot it! Shoot it! Shoot it! Shoot it! Kill it! Oh wait, it's in the safe zone. Dang it! That's it. I need to get more ammo to shoot that bird. Where is the bird hiding? It's over here. I can tell it. Is he in the shop? So if he makes one more noise, I swear I'm finding him. What's this stick? Please don't send me. Where are you? Is he up here? Oh man, dang it! It's another safe zone! It's another safe zone! Ow! Ow! It's another safe zone! He's in another safe zone! I can't kill him!
The only way to kill me is to sell me.
Sell you? But this is a safe zone. You can't die. See? Look. See? You're not dying. You wanna go now, buddy? You wanna run? I can tell you're still alive. Hey, get out of here! It's my house! He's going down the storage drain? Oh man, I need more ammo. Oh no, I dropped my gun! Get out of there! Get out of my toxic waste!